Okay. Now, if you see, there are no um, tables in the database. Here, we can create the tables in two ways. Okay. What are the two ways? Here, if you come to the SQL command line, here we can write the query for creating a table. Now I'm creating a table. I'm showing the two ways. Okay. Create. This is a syntax for creating a table. Create table. After the table, the name of the table. I'm creating employee table. Okay. Name of the table is EMP. Employee number space. What is the data type of that employee number? Integer. Okay. Then employee name. What is the data type? Varchar of 10. Now I'm going to see no more errors. So after writing this query, I want to run this query. So go. So if you see here, the table is there. Okay. We have employee table. To see list of the tables in the database, what we need to do? Show tables. So how many tables are there? Only EMP table. Are you able to see here? EMP table. Now I am going to do the same table creation mm, by using a database. Okay. See, here I am going to use that database IT. In the database, if you observe, only one table is there, EMP. Now we are going to create another table with the help of JDBC application. This is manual way. Okay. How we can do it directly in database. Now we are going to see it with the help of a NetBeans Java application. How we are going to do that? Okay. So I'm going to open NetBeans application. Okay. So in this NetBeans application, so first what we need to do is go to file, create, click on new project. In under new project, click on Java, the Java application, click next. Okay. Then project name and location. So create demo. Okay. How you have to remove the create main class. Okay. Project name is create demo. Okay. And then finish. So if you observe here, we have created create demo class. Now first we need to create a Java file. Okay. So Java class file, Java file. Okay. We have to select Java file. What is the name of that class name? We are going to give a class name as create table. So first step of our JDBC application is import the required packages. So we are imported the required packages. The next step is load the drivers. To load the drivers, how we are going to load the drivers? Under libraries, click add, add jar folder. Here, this is the jar file, mysql connector jar file. Open. Okay, we are loaded the drivers. Now we need to create so next step is, after loading register the drivers. How we are going to register the drivers? We are going to register the drivers by using class dot for name method, by using class dot for name method. So class dot for name method, this is the location, this is the location of the driver class. Okay, com.mysql.cj.jdbc.driver. Okay, this is the location of the driver class. Okay, so after loading the class, what we need to do, next step is create the connection. How to create the connection? By using connection interface. We need to create a connection by using connection interface. Okay, so connection interface, for that one object is con. So driver manager class, in the driver manager, get connection method. In this get connection method, this is the URL of the database, and in this URL I'm using JDBC driver. In the JDBC driver, for which database we are going to use? For MySQL database. Where, what is the location of that MySQL database? Location of MySQL database is localhost colon 30306. Okay, now here it is the database name. What is the database we are created in the beginning of the class? ఏంటేమో database మనం create చేసింది? What is the name of the database we are created? What is the database we have created? మిమ్మల్ని అడిగేది, ఆర్ యు దేర్? Are you there? My voice is audible. Nikhil. What about Nikhil? 283. 5003. 5004. No one is there. Shall I put all of you as absent? మిమ్మల్ని మాట్లాడరేమి ఎవరు? I'm talking about to you only. No one is not responding.
Yes, sir.
ఎస్ సార్ కదమ్మా.
ఎస్ సార్.
దేనికి ఎస్ సార్? నేనేం క్వశ్చన్ అడిగాను, మీరు ఏమేమి సార్ చెప్తున్నారు? సెషన్ స్టార్టింగ్లో నేను డేటాబేస్ క్రియేట్ చేశాను. వాట్ ఈస్ ద నేమ్ ఆఫ్ ద డేటాబేస్?
ఈఎంపీ సార్.
నేను టేబుల్ నేమ్ కాదు అడిగింది, టేబుల్ నేమ్ కన్నా ముందు డేటాబేస్ క్రియేట్ చేస్తా. ఐటీ. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి ఈ ప్రోగ్రాంలో? ఇక్కడ డేటాబేస్ నేమ్ ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి? ఐటీ ఇవ్వాలి. సో ఐటీ తర్వాత ఏంటి? యూజర్ నేమ్. యూజర్ నేమ్ వచ్చి రూట్. ఓకే, పాస్వర్డ్ వచ్చి ఏమీ లేదన్నమాట. ఓకే, వీఆర్ నాట్ గివెన్ ఎనీ పాస్వర్డ్ ఫర్ ద root user. Okay, now we are created the connection. Now next step is we need to create a statement method. So how we are going to create the statement method? Statement space by using statement interface. So statement class, well, object of that statement is stmt is equal to con dot create statement. Okay, connection. So we using connection dot create statement. మనము ఈ స్టేట్మెంట్ అనే మెథడ్ యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. Okay, now what is the query we are going to do? We have to create a table employee. See here I am changing employee. So I am creating a table name employee with two or two three attributes. Location. Okay, worker some 10. So location is 10. Now after I'm going to execute the statement. So by using a std a statement dot execute query. So execute update method is used for executing the query. Then con dot close. So this one is used for any exception is happened in our program. See, I'm going to run this program. Here it will going to show. Okay, I'm going system dot out dot print ln table is created. Okay, similarly I'm using system system dot out dot print println drivers are loaded. Just for our information only. These things are doing for our understanding only. So connection is created. So see the output what it is going to be generated. I am going to run this program. Sorry, I need to run this program. See, drivers are loaded, connection is created. SQL, you have an error in your SQL syntax. What is that one? At line 1 now. One second, one second. See, table is created. So successfully table is created. So we'll go and see in MySQL database whether the table is created, employee table is created or not. So new share. See here, employee table is created or not. Employee table is created or not. ఎంప్లాయ్ టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ అయిందా లేదా చెప్పండి అయ్యా, రెస్పాండ్ ఇవ్వండి అయ్యా. ఎంప్లాయ్ ఎంప్లాయ్ టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ అయిందా లేదా ఇక్కడ? ప్రీవియస్లీ ఎంపీ టేబుల్ ఉంది, ఇప్పుడు ఎంప్లాయ్ టేబుల్ క్రియేట్ అయింది. సో ఈ టేబుల్ క్రియేషన్ మనం ఎలా చేసాము? బై యూజింగ్ జేడిబిసి అప్లికేషన్. ఓకే, జావా అప్లికేషన్. సో జావా అప్లికేషన్ యూజ్ చేసి మనము టేబుల్ని క్రియేట్ చేసాం అన్నమాట. సో దిస్ ఈస్ ద వే వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు డూ JDBC application. This is an example for creating a table. Like like that, there are so many programs are there. We have to do creating a table, inserting values into the table, retrieving the information from the table. Okay, so to insert values into the table, how we are going to insert the values into the table? Okay, general syntax is I'm going to share you some database link in W3 schools. You go through that one, you to learn some basic database commands for creating a table, inserting values into the table. Okay, so that you will get an idea. So I had done, I mean, recording of this today session.